Hello, today we will guide you through how to copy trade on IC Markets. To begin, open the IC Markets Secure Client area and go to the Home dashboard. This is your main starting point, where you can access your account settings, trading platforms, and downloads. If you are not already logged in, make sure you complete that first so you can follow the process smoothly. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Accounts. This section is where you manage your trading accounts and open new ones when needed. Inside Accounts, click on CTrader. Since copy trading in this walkthrough is done through the CTrader environment, this is the area you need to access next. After that, click on Open Account. This will make sure you have the correct CTrader account set up before moving into the copy trading platform. If you already have one, you can still follow along and confirm that everything is ready. Next, go back to the left navigation and click on Downloads. In the Downloads area, scroll down until you find the CTrader section. Take your time here because there may be several platform options listed on the page. When you see the CTrader options, click on Web. This is the browser-based version, which is convenient because you do not need to install anything to continue. Then click on Open CTrader Web. This will launch the CTrader platform in your browser and take you into the trading interface. Once CTrader Web opens, look again to the left side of the platform and click on Copy. This is the dedicated area for copy trading, where you can browse and connect to available strategies. After entering the Copy section, find the Account Type drop-down menu and select Demo. Using a demo account is a helpful way to test copy trading before using live funds. It allows you to become familiar with the process and understand how the platform behaves without taking on real financial risk. Finally, click on Start Copying. This is the action that begins the copy trading setup using your selected demo account. Before confirming, it is always a good idea to review the strategy details, settings, and any risk information shown on screen so you understand what you are choosing. And that's it. You have now navigated from the IC Markets client area into CTrader Web and reached the point where you can start copy trading on a demo account. Follow each screen carefully and you should be able to complete the setup without any trouble.